Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand how the HTML content is displayed on browsers. Browsers display the content based on the HTML tags that we use within our HTML content. Browsers ignore all the extra spaces and lines outside and within the HTML elements, so we cannot change the display by adding extra spaces and lines to HTML code. Content is displayed based on how the browser processes the HTML code, so we may see some minor differences between different browsers. Display may even change between different screen sizes as well. Overall, browsers ignore all the extra spaces and lines while displaying the content. If you look at the example that is given here, there are two different paragraphs where paragraph 1 did not have any extra spaces and lines, whereas the paragraph 2 has both extra spaces and lines. Now let's see how the browser processes both these paragraphs and display their content. On the left hand side we have the HTML document where we have the paragraph 1 which doesn't contain any extra spaces or lines, and the paragraph 2 has both extra spaces as well as the extra lines. On the right hand side, if you see the content displayed by the browser, paragraph 1 is displaying the paragraph as is, whereas for the paragraph 2 it has ignored all the extra spaces and lines and it displayed like this. So one thing that we need to understand is we cannot modify the display by adding extra spaces or lines within our HTML document. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.